Sinubukan ng mga kabataan sa Pinoy
Again.
Congress ang gagamitin sa halalan. Ito'y matapos din nilang subukan.
I can see. Show mommy.
Mga kahinaan. Isang rally ng mga PUP at sasalubong sana kay Senador Noynoy Aquino.
Scare mommy. Scare mommy. Scare mommy. Come here. Scare mommy. Scare mommy.
At Nicanor Perlasla ang humarap sa Pinoy Media Congress ang taunang pagtitipon ng mga guro at estudyante ng Philippine Association of Communication
What are you eating?
At ABS-CBN. Isa sa mga tanong ng estudyante, ano ang kahinaan ng mga kandidato?
As a leader, I have to listen to a little bit more. Sometimes I have impatient.
Belat.
Medyo tumataas ang gusto.
Say, hello, kuya.
Iyakin. Nung nakita ko yung kumakain ng pagpag dito sa Metro Manila.
What are you eating?
This is the time
Huh?
to start thinking
What's that?
about what you will lose.
What are you eating?
How to put lipstick?
You succumb to fear.
Matapos subukin ang mga presidential
Oh, dance nga. Can I see your dance?
That's like tatay.
Dance like tatay, like that.
That's like tatay. Show mommy. That's the
Show
tatay.
to mommy. How to dance?
Your hands like this. Your hands like this. That's the tatay.
Again. Sakit mo nga.
Don't like this. Si mami.
Show mommy. Show how to dance.
Si mami.
Show mommy.
Tatay. Copy tatay.
Face mommy.
Odi, that's like tatay. Odi, please. Odi. Oh, that's like tatay. Odi, show.
Can I see it? Can I see your dance?
Odi, please. Show mommy the dance of tatay.
1, 2, 3.
Get the dance of tatay like this.
Show.
Oh, like this. You hold your hand.
So you dance.
up.
No. Okay, put again. Dance first.
You hand.
With hands.
I will hold. Oh, show mommy muna.
Okay. Bye.
No more na. Tomorrow again.